We're here with the Toyota 4Runner Premium Conversion Kit by Hamilton Motor Company for CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the underlying Hamilton operating system that you'll see when you first boot up the device. If you have questions about what CarPlay looks like in general or how to install the device, we have two other videos on our YouTube channel that I'd like you to watch. The Hamilton overview video for this device and the installation video for this device. This video is for folks who've already installed the unit and they want to know how to pair and set up CarPlay and the device in general. Let's get started. We're going to come here by clicking the phone to open up Bluetooth. You'll see here the device name and the device pairing code. Now pull out your iPhone and open Settings and come here and click on Bluetooth and scroll all the way to the bottom. Wait for about a minute and you're going to see a device that says Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. Click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites and wait for this to load. CarPlay is going to pull up. If you get this notice that says Connect to CarPlay, click on it. This device will save your phone and it'll pop up anytime you get in the car. If you've had CarPlay load up like this and it's a little bit too zoomed out, you can come to Settings, Display. See this Smart Display Zoom? We'll turn it off. And this will come back to how we've pre-configured it to look. Touching the Hamilton Motor Company button will bring you back to this underlying Hamilton operating system. In our installation video, we show you the SIM card slot where you can put a SIM card in this unit so it has its own 4G connection. And that will allow you to have features running natively on this device. It has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. If you want to put a SIM card in the device, come here to Settings, More, scroll all the way down to the bottom, About Phone, and all the way down at the bottom, you'll see here it says IMEI, SIM slot 1. This is the number that you need to give to T-Mobile. I use T-Mobile in my car. That you'd give to T-Mobile, for example, to get a SIM card. You want a tablet SIM card. You'll install it in that SIM slot. Now, once you've installed it, be advised, usually it takes about a day from when you install it for the SIM card to activate. Touching this button here will bring you back into CarPlay. You can see how beautiful this display is. Of course, it's going to preserve your original controls. There's your factory backup camera and your steering wheel controls as well. We're going to have a full installation video where we show you how to set it up, how to install it, as well as that overview video where we walk you through CarPlay. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We're known for our concierge-style tech support. If you have any questions before, during, or after your purchase, give us a call, 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my team members. We're grateful for the chance to earn your business, and I'll see you in the next video.